It's the season for my favorite strawberries again. Remember to put oil paper on the mold. It will be easier to remove from the mold. 2 egg yolks. 30 grams sugar. Beat until the sugar is completely dissolved. Water heating, add whipped cream and milk chocolate. Remember to use one with a higher cocoa content. Chop up any dark chocolate from the Hershey's Pure Dark range. Add to evaporated milk. Stir until rich and smooth. Slowly pour into the mold. Try not to leave any gaps. Dip out the bubbles. Refrigerate for 4 hours to set. Today, I'm using Hershey's Pure Black cookies. Dark chocolate comes into flavors. Strong coffee and light caramel. 49% cocoa content makes it easier for people to enjoy the richness and sweetness of dark chocolate, bringing 100% luxurious fragrance experience. There is also a crunchy cookie filling, brings a richer taste. Strawberry longan. Okay, carefully remove the mold. Sprinkle some cocoa powder on top. The perfect pairing of strawberries and Hershey's chocolate, in rich and smooth chocolate, also comes with a surprise of some exquisite cookies. Come and make it for the one you love.